Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you a dashcam which is from Hero Group and the brand name is Qubo. So let's just unbox it and see whatever the contents I get here and how is the camera. So I have just taken out the plastic cover for a clear view of this box. So this costed me around 3.5k, but the MRP on the box it's 5990. So basically you can say it's a discounted deal, but I'm not sure what is the exact price of this product in the market. But I have been following up for this product for around 2-3 months. So the price was like slightly varying between 3.6k to 3.7k. So I have just got discount for like 1 to 200 rupees. That's all. But it's a fair deal for 1080p camera for your car as dash cam. So here whatever the features we get in this are like 1080p full HD recording, low light performance, wide angle view, intelligent events. Maybe that is like if your car is parked and somebody touches it or it senses something, maybe that camera will get on, but I'm not sure. We'll just check it out in further videos. And parking mode is there. Also multiple recording options are there, SD slot, and recording on demand, time lapse, Wi-Fi compatible. So this one is exactly the model of Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro, and other ones comes with GPS, I guess, but this is not the GPS one. So we will see what are the functionality. uh, we will get to know only after installing it, so we'll have to check it out. And this one is a product of India, so it's good. We are supporting our nation. And yeah, these are the benefits like you generally get for a dash cam, that is video evidence against car accidents, evidence against incorrect challans, and insurance claims, or the best one is journey vlogging. So let's just start the unboxing. So I will just cut the seal. So package is of decent quality, I will say. And I guess now we'll open it. Yeah, so here we have like, okay, welcome card to the Qubo club. Okay, this is just our product or description, and this is a user guide. Okay. Okay, okay, this not a user guide, this is their product ranges, whatever the products they are offering. It looks cool, like they have multiple products. So we have just bought this one. Oh, they have this gimbal also. Okay, we'll keep these things aside into this box. So inside the box we get this the main camera, and this is, I guess, the charger. Like it has 2 ampere and 1 ampere slot separately, and this is output of 5 volt and 2.4 ampere. Okay, this will fit directly into your car's mobile slot. So we have this slot separately. So I guess, yeah, that was it, I guess. Yeah, we have one more compartment. Okay, so this is kind of hidden one. Okay, this is the supporting cable, I guess. Yeah, just we need to plug it here, and this one goes to your camera. We'll keep this here. And this is, okay, this is a QR code scan. You can scan it to get the setup instruction, and I am not sure what exactly is this. I'll have to check it out on the box. Okay. Okay, so we have double-sided tape also here. So what things we get in the boxes. First one is the camera, second is the charger which I have here, and okay, this is pry tool. Okay, this is just to remove or attach something, I guess. Yeah. And warranty card, we have this mini USB cable, we have double side adhesive tape. So we have got everything inside the box. Now we will just unwrap the camera. Okay, it is slightly bigger than what I expected. You can see the size how it is. It is, yeah, dash cam, but yeah, see this big how it is. Okay, but I had expected this to be a lot more smaller than this, but yeah, this is my first experience for dashcam, so might be this size will be perfect. And yeah, here we have this SD card slot, and we have this cable insertion port, and that's it. And here we have the power button. I'll just switch it on once. I'll try. I guess this one is not charged. Okay, the main application I'll be showing you after installing in the car. So this is where the cable goes. Okay, so this is how it should be connected. This one goes into your car's slot, and this is how the, okay, we need to insert it more, and we need to, this is for attaching this double-sided tape here. So attach it here, and other one fix it to the front windshield or wherever you want to attach your camera. The setup here is very simple. So I have just connected this into my car's charging port and this to camera. So after this you need to just attach it somewhere on the windshield. So this is like foldable, like you can tilt it. So dash cam is kept like this position, so it will record. So it is like advisable to keep it somewhere here, like center of the car. So I'll be placing it somewhere like this, so the whole visibility I should get here. So I'll just set up it using the Qubo app. So, and this is the power button. So now I need to set it up. I have inserted this SD card here also. Dashcam is going to sleeping mode. Yeah, because I'm not recording anything, so it is going to sleep mode. So I'll have to manage it like wires. I'll have to manage the wire somewhere like this, and from the corner and till here I'll have to manage. I'll bring it through till here, and I'll put this action camera, sorry, this dash cam somewhere like this. So I'll be in future, I'll be uploading the videos recorded from this dash cam, and I'll be uploading this. So this was the unboxing and setup, how to set it up. So I guess it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video, and stay connected. Thanks a lot. Bye.